Hello everyone and welcome back to another Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out this gigantic water bottle. So check it out. 7 a.m. good morning. 9, give it a try. 11 a.m. tons of energy. 1 p.m. keep chugging. 3 p.m. resist temptation. 5 p.m. guzzle. 7 p.m. whoop whoop. And 9 p.m. you slayed it. So if I am correctly, this is, yes, 1 gallon water bottle. Now, I personally have a glass 1 gallon bottle, and I've been looking for another one that's plastic. Glass is a little bit iffy, and this one looks like it's going to do a good job. So, if you guys do not know, let's go quick over some features. You lift that up. You have your straw inside here. That allows you to drink right from it. Put it back down, seal it right back up. You twist the cap to take off the cap and fill it with water. You want to clean your straw often. So straw pops out and pops right back in for cleaning. So make sure you clean this often. Right from use, we can tell it's got a really strong smell. So like I do for all my bottles, wash it out with soap. Completely wash it. Just completely wash it. You guys want to do that from making, after they made it from factory. They always smell pretty bad. So make sure you wash it. I recommend doing with really hot water with soap and then cold water and to finalize the washing. But yeah, guys, it's nice. At the top, 3,780 ml, and I did a study about a year, maybe 2 years ago, of drinking a gallon of water per day, and I lost 4 pounds and maintained that. I didn't change my diet, I didn't change my exercise, I didn't change nothing. I just wanted to see what difference would it be if you drank a gallon of water every day, 7 days a week. And what I noticed was I lost 4 pounds and held it even though my eating habits did not change a bit. My eating habits stayed the same. We're talking fast food, junk food, and I still lost 4 pounds and kept the weight off until about 4 days after I stopped drinking a gallon of water per day. It's very interesting, my friends.